Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and current firmware so you update the correct file. Once done, format a USB drive to FAT32 and copy the firmware folder to the root. Make sure the XDJ RR has more than 50% battery and is connected to mains power. This prevents interruptions. Also disable auto sleep, close record box on any connected computer, and eject the USB safely from your computer. These steps avoid file corruption and ensure the unit can read the update immediately. With the USB inserted, power the unit on using the method required for firmware mode. Usually that means holding Shift or the designated button while turning on. The display will show update prompts, confirm you want to install, and then watch file copying and installation progress. Stay patient and avoid touching controls. The device may reboot multiple times. If a progress bar stalls, do not remove power immediately. Instead, wait a few minutes to allow background processes to finish before considering intervention. Once the device reboots, go straight to System Settings to verify the firmware version matches the file you installed. This confirms success. Make sure your settings, cue points, and library are intact, then run a quick playback test of loaded tracks and effects to validate operation. If the firmware didn't apply or the unit behaves oddly, reformat another USB to FAT32, copy the firmware anew, and repeat the process. If problems persist, contact support, but first try a safe reinstall using a different USB stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.